Good morning, everyone. It is 25 minutes to 6 on November the 14th, and I have been sitting here laughing my head off at USGS. All right, Discovery Earthquake app put up a 4.9 Japan region. 2 minutes later, it updated that to a 5.0. Around 20 after, that's when that happened. At 25 after, USGS puts up, nope, you're wrong, it was a 4.9. 1 minute later, they changed that to a 4.8. So, you guys pick who you believe. Alright? I got screenshots from Discovery Earthquake app and their sources. And they're all in the link. So, if you want to believe the USGS, it was a 4.8. And Japan region at 19 miles in depth, or you can go with the Discovery Earthquake app and their 3 earthquake centers they used as a 5.0 Japan region at 19 miles in depth. Now, they do not agree on the next one either. They said there was, Discovery said there was a 4.0 Iona C at 1.2 miles in depth. USGS ignored that totally. It's not even up on their site. This one they all agreed on. There was a 2.3 Big Pine, California at 4 miles in depth. There was a 2.1 Monmouth Lake, California, 9 miles in depth. There was a 3.0 Mono Pass, Dominican Republic at 75 miles in depth. There was a 3.8 Hot Springs, Alaska at 10.4 miles in depth. And there was a 2.7 Hot Springs, Alaska at 10.2 miles in depth. All right, guys. I'm sitting here to see if they're going to upgrade or downgrade that first one again or not. I'm sorry. It just makes me laugh. A war going on between USGS and the Discovery Earthquake app. Unreal. So you don't know who I'm going to believe. I really don't know who. Anyway, God bless you guys. I hope you have a wonderful day. I have got to get to the grocery store and pay some bills today. So I'll be busy in the afternoon, but I'll take my cell phone with me, I promise. And keep track of the little war going on between Discovery and USGS. God bless. Please be safe. Thank you so much for watching. You guys are so awesome. 2 thumbs up, guys.